Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to talk about a phone today that, when it was originally released, pushed the envelope in terms of performance, design, and most importantly, camera technology. This is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's go on to the cameras, which are the major attraction. The Galaxy S20 Ultra wasn't afraid to flaunt its powerful camera. The 108MP primary sensor produces incredibly detailed images that capture every subtlety. Whether it's the nighttime skyline of the metropolis or the texture of a flower petal. That's not all though. Up to 100x space zoom is available with the 48MP periscope telephoto lens. It's still amazing that a phone can zoom in that much. Even though the quality at 100x may not be flawless. With the added versatility of the 12MP ultra wide lens, you can easily take group photos or stunning landscapes. Additionally, the 40MP front camera gives that every detail is crisp and clear for selfie enthusiasts. Another area in which the S20 Ultra excels is night mode. This phone's low light photography capabilities are fantastic. Your evening photos will appear amazing thanks to Samsung software, which does a fantastic job of bringing in light and highlighting details. With the ability to record 8K video at 24 frames per second, the S20 Ultra is a video beast. Your videos appear fluid and expert thanks to features like Super Steady mode, and the amount of detail is incredible. Let's now discuss battery life. With its enormous 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy S20 Ultra easily lasts a full day of intensive use. Additionally, you might be able to get 2 days out of a single charge if you're a moderate user. This phone keeps up with you whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing social media. You have 45W rapid charging available when it's time to charge, which can get you from 0% to 100% in roughly an hour. Additionally, it has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, which makes it very easy to recharge your phone or other gadgets while you're out and about. Let's start by discussing the design. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is a phone that immediately exudes luxury. It is a smartphone that feels as opulent as it appears thanks to its large 6.9-inch display and elegant glass metal sandwich architecture. Durability is guaranteed with the Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and back, and the metal frame gives it a more substantial feel. Now let's talk about the display because Samsung did a fantastic job. The 6.9-inch Quad HD Dynamic AMOLED 2X display on the Galaxy S20 Ultra is just amazing. Everything seems exceptionally fluid thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate, vivid colors, and deep blacks. This display draws you in and holds your attention whether you're scrolling, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows. The Exynos 990 or Snapdragon 865 in the US, and up to 16GB of RAM power the Galaxy S20 Ultra's internal components. This phone is a performance monster. To put it simply, it runs numerous apps at once and performs flawlessly while handling graphically demanding games. Not to mention the capacity up to 512GB of internal storage is available. And microSD cards may be used to increase it even further. You won't ever have to be concerned about your apps, videos, or pictures running out of space. The S20 Ultra was also designed for the future with 5G connection. It is a fantastic option for remaining connected in our increasingly digital environment because streaming, downloading, and video calling are quicker and more dependable. So what is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's final verdict? This phone is still a technological marvel years after it was first released. From its revolutionary camera system to its powerful performance and gorgeous design, it was ahead of its time in many respects. This phone really lived up to the term Ultra. I sincerely appreciate you viewing. Please remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more reviews like this one if you found it useful. And let me know in the comments which Galaxy S20 Ultra feature you like best. I would love to know what you think. I'll see you in the future video. Until then, be careful and continue to be fantastic.